Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. So today I have bring the second video of today regarding JP Morgan Chase and Company job recruitment. So it's a very good opportunity. They are hiring software engineer for India, Bangalore location. You can see the job category is software engineering. I will discuss in detail in this video. So if you have not subscribed my channel and if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe because it gives us motivation. And in our channel you will also get Udemy courses coupon IDs as well as interview tips. So lots of things you will get. So let's start this video. You can see this is a full-time job and job shift is daytime, so it's very good opportunity. JP Morgan is an American company, so quite good salary you can expect. The job description is mentioned here that you have to design, code, test, deliver solution, direct accountability for building and strategizing the test automation solutions, to be involved extensively in test planning, strategizing, liaise and coordinate with the other groups, coordinate with project team members, and proactive identification of risk issues and work out the mitigation plan. So about themselves, if you want to read about this company, if you don't have any idea, then go through it because it's a 200 years old company, a very good company, I will say, American industry. So the salary you can expect 8 to 15 LPA because it is the average salary we have seen. The prior students of our channel have already got. I have got that news, and so that I am sharing with you. So it's a very good opportunity, so you can check this out. So just click on apply now. Then what you have to do, you just need to put your email address here. Then you have to click on the next button. If you just put your email address here, I'm just showing you. Okay, just click on I agree with the terms and conditions, then click on next. Then the whole registration form will be open to you. I'm just showing you. So you can see there are three options. You can sign in with your LinkedIn account. You can directly upload your resume there. So resume, then this camera will be open to you. Then you have to scan your resume there. Okay. So after uploading your resume, the title, first name, middle name, last name, you have to fill your email address, phone number and address. You have to provide your preferred location, like it's only for Bangalore, so you can select there. Then after clicking on next, you will be able to fill the educational details. So after that you will have to fill the work experience detail if you have, or if you have done any internship, then you can share with them. Then last thing, you have to upload your image and you have to submit your details. So it's very easier process, so you can completely do it with your phone. So I'm just also showing you that how to do that thing from phone. I'm also sharing because nowadays we easily access our mobile phones to do this registration. So that to make it simpler, I'm showing you here so that it's easier for you. So I think if you facing any challenge to do this registration, you can comment in our in our comment section. Comment your doubt in our comment section. So we will try to solve that as much as possible. We have also previously done that. So if you really trust on ourselves, you can subscribe our channel. You can go through in our YouTube channel. There are lots of problem solving videos, lots of job descriptions videos. So you can subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will receive the all latest notification, and hit the like button because it gives us motivation, and share this news with your friends. Thank you.